Today we're making one of my favorites, chicken piccata. You're going to start by pounding out all of your chicken breasts as flat as possible so they'll cook evenly. And then you're going to season on both sides with salt and pepper. To a cup of all-purpose flour, you're going to add in a teaspoon of garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And then you're going to whisk that all together and then coat each of your chicken breasts into the flour mixture. To a skillet, you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then once it's heated up, you're going to cook your chicken. First 3 minutes on one side, and then flipping over to cook for another 2 minutes. Add your chicken to a plate on the side, and then you're going to make a sauce. You can see all these brown bits on the pan. That's fond. That's going to make a really yummy sauce. So you're going to start by chopping up a couple of cloves of garlic. And then to the side, you're going to make some chicken broth. I'm just adding better than bouillon to a pot of boiling water. And then you're going to peel the zest off of your lemons. And then you're going to roll your lemon. This will loosen the juice inside. So to the pan, you're going to add in your garlic and cook it until it's fragrant. And then you're going to add in the lemon peel and cook it until that's fragrant as well. And then you're going to squeeze 1/2 of your lemon. And you're going to mix everything around, making sure to scrape up all those brown bits and add in some capers. I added in a lot, but you can add in as much as you want. And then you're going to add in your chicken broth. I did about 1/2 cup. And then just keep swirling it all around and scraping up all those bits on the pan. Then you're going to add your chicken back in and cook for another 3 minutes. Then you're going to take the chicken out and rest while you continue to make your sauce. Next, you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of cold butter. And you're going to keep stirring until all the butter is melted in, and make sure you keep stirring so you don't break the sauce. Then pour all that sauce over your chicken. And then garnish with some parsley. And there you have an easy chicken piccata.